Okay, video time, real quick. Here to talk to you guys about some Rolling Dub Trio things. So first off, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in Rolling Dub Trio since you clicked on the collection page. Each one of the Rolling Dub Trio styles down here on our webpage have a delivery window listed for each one. So if you have questions, click into the shoe or boot that you are interested in, and we will have an outlined kind of 2 to 3 month delivery window. Now, understand these are just expected or projected delivery windows. They're not exact. Being that these are handmade boots, everything has a little bit of flex time. We get a lot of emails, phone calls, and DMs regarding like, hey, why haven't these boots delivered yet? Please be patient. Rolling Dub Trio is doing everything that they can to build these boots. They have even restricted how much we are allowed to order now to try to help alleviate some of the stress and pressures that are on the factory. So if you're interested in a pair of boots, go ahead and click into each of those products and you will see a rough delivery window estimate. If you're seeing any of the product on our website, that is product that we will be stocking in the store physically. We know there are pre-orders against a lot of product, but anything that is listed and featured on our website currently is product that we will be stocking for the store and for the website. So sign up for the stock notification and you will be instantly notified as soon as we get stock. And also, I have done my best to kind of give the most detailed sizing information for each one of these sizes. We know there are other retailers that carry it. People want to come in and try it on so they can purchase it elsewhere. Please don't do that. Please support ButterScotch. If you see the product on our page, go ahead, sign up for a stock notification based on our descriptions and sizing advice, and we will do our best to get you kitted and fitted in your next pair of rolling dubs.